In the garden of kindness we sow, with hearts open wide love will grow. Sweet tea daily spreading the light, painting hope in boxes so bright.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new here, I'd like to give a big warm welcome to you. I'm Nichole, and it's wonderful to have you here. Today, I'm excited to continue my video series where I unbox a fun children's character for Operation Christmas Child. If you're not familiar with this ministry, I invite you to click the link in the description box to learn all about how you can spread joy and share Jesus with kids in need through a shoebox gift. Let's dive in. Okay, friends. Today, I'm unboxing a Hello Kitty themed shoebox gift for a girl who's 5 to 9. When she opens her box, this is what she'll see. I'll remove the items in the way so you can see more of the lid design. I'm going to remove her wow items so that you can see the lid. The lid says, "Jesus loves you," and I made this design in CANVA. You can access this lid design by clicking on the link in the description box that says Lid Design. Are you interested in creating your own shoebox lid in CANVA but not sure where to start? Well, don't worry, I have a super simple tutorial that walks you through it step by step, and I'll include that video link in the description box as well. I have many more lid designs and free printables on my website for you to choose from. Just go to sweetteadaily.com. I also had fun decorating the inside of the shoebox with some cute polka dot contact paper. While it's totally optional, I think adding these little extra touches can be fun for the kids too. Okay, so on the very top, I had this Hello Kitty stuffy, and this is her wow item. I'm going to unwrap it for you so that you can see it. I put it in this bag so that it would fit in the box more easily. I like the soft rainbow colors of this plush, and it's also very soft. The next item I want to show you is this very adorable water bottle with Hello Kitty on it. I got this from Five Below. On the very top, she has this little fidget toy, this little poppet. She also has a spinner bracelet that lights up. She has a set of Hello Kitty toothbrushes. Here's one of Hello Kitty's little friends. And here is a little mini Hello Kitty. And next I'll show you these bracelets. There's one with a rainbow on it. This one says love. And this one reminded me of Hello Kitty's bow. She has some hair accessories as well. A velvet scrunchie. And a flower headband. She has a pair of socks. I almost couldn't get those out. A pair of socks. Pair of underwear. and a very soft washcloth. Here she has 5 pencils and 2 pens. A pencil sharpener. I want to show you this very cute rainbow purse. It has some sparkles on it. I like the strap. Isn't that cute? Inside of here she has a glue stick with some instructions on how to use a glue stick. She has a little Gabby's dollhouse doll with some accessories. And I included this because of the little cat ears, kind of like a Hello Kitty. Cute little Gabby dollhouse cat. And Gabby has a little paintbrush and a paint palette. She has a compact mirror and 2 Hello Kitty clips for her hair. And she has a jump rope. I will take out this pair of shoes and I'll unpack it. I stuffed some items in the shoes to save some space. There are 3 Hello Kitty gel pens, a set of crayons. I could not fit a whole box of crayons in this box. And 3 lip smackers that are Hello Kitty themed. I am leaving the packaging on this because I think the presentation is beautiful. I love the colors. Here are her pair of shoes. I got these on sale from Old Navy. It was an Old Navy clearance and they looked really comfortable and I hope that she'll be able to grow into them. They're a little on the big side. Next, I have her pencil pouch. I have this set of Hello Kitty erasers. A ruler. And some Hello Kitty stickers. She has a pair of scissors. She has a t-shirt. And it is an Easter themed Hello Kitty shirt. I really like the colors on here, the pinks and the purples. I thought that was very bright and cheerful. She has a activity pad, that's a Hello Kitty activity pad, with some stickers and some color sheets. She has a Hello Kitty Tic Tac Toe Game that you can access in the description box by clicking the link that says Tic Tac Toe. And I've also included some game markers and also some instructions for how to play Tic Tac Toe in different languages. She has this His Name is Jesus book. I love to include picture books in my boxes. As you all know, if you've seen any of my other videos, she has a drawstring bag. I'm including a letter with our picture on it for the child. She has a Hello Kitty notebook. And in the back, I've included some graph paper for her. And I've also included a bookmark that I made in CANVA. It says, "Rejoice in the Lord always," from Philippians 4:4. If you would like to print this bookmark for yourself and use it in your shoebox gifts, you can click the link in the description box that says bookmark. She has a jumbo coloring and activity book. Well, friends, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. May God bless you and your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Colors bright and messages bold. In our hands, His story told. Gifts wrapped in the warmth of grace, bringing smiles